ships from far-off lands, with guns and flags in bloody hands. They smiled and lied, then drew their swords, and broke our hearts with foreign words. They walked our soil with greedy eyes, tore down our dreams, replaced them with lies. Our kings were chained, our temples burned, and freedom's song was never returned. They came and took it all, the gold, the spice, the waterfalls. They sucked the life, they stole the land, with poison ink and iron hands. They never asked, they never cried, and left us bleeding deep inside. Oh world, hear my people's call. They came and took it all. Worked with backs so bent, while foreign masters took every cent. Our mothers wept by moonlit fire, their hopes reduced to ash and mire. The rivers ran a silent pain through cinnamon hills and fields of cane, but still we stood with broken will and bore the weight of every kill. They came and took it all, the pearls, the dreams, the waterfalls. They cracked our pride, they scarred our name, and wrote our stories drenched in shame. But now we rise, though still we bleed, for truth is stronger than their greed. Oh world, hear my people's call. They came and took it all. Revenge or rage, just truth inscribed on history's page. Let them say it loud and clear, we crushed a land we had no right to steer. They came and took it all, but we still stand though we are small.